10 money-making apps that let you make money from your phone. What are money-making apps and how do they work? Money-making apps are mobile applications that can help you make money while on the go. They range from simple survey apps to more complex investment or trading apps and can be used to supplement your income or even replace it entirely. Money-making apps work by offering users rewards for completing tasks, such as taking surveys, playing games, or investing in stocks. Depending on the app, users can earn money in a variety of ways, including cashback rewards, gift cards, and even cryptocurrency payments. By using money-making apps regularly and strategically, you can increase your chances of making a profit and achieving financial success. Top 10 money-making apps for Android and iOS devices. With the rise of mobile technology, more people are turning to their smartphones and tablets for ways to make money. There are now a wide range of apps that can help you generate an income from your Android or iOS device. Whether you're looking for a way to make some extra cash on the side or want to start an online business, these apps will help you get started. We've compiled a list of the top 15 money-making apps for Android and iOS devices so you can start earning today. 1. Swagbucks is an easy way to earn free gift cards, cash, or other rewards by doing short tasks like watching videos, answering surveys, and more. You can also get paid by referring your friends or family and earning commissions when they make a purchase. You'll also earn points towards earning Swagbucks that you can redeem for gift cards from your favorite stores. 2. Doinks is a fun, simple way to earn cash, gift cards, and more. You can earn $1 just for using the app. Just take pictures of what you are doing and earn money. It's that easy. 3. WhatsApp. If you use the app on your phone, it's very easy to start earning money. You can earn cash by sending and receiving messages, watching ads, or completing offers like watching a video for 10 seconds. You can also earn WhatsApp credits, which allow you to send or receive voice and video messages for free. 4. WebPageFX. This is an easy app that pays you to view and complete ads. As soon as an ad loads, the page will automatically refresh so you can continue browsing without interruption. You earn 2 cents for every click or up to 100 clicks per hour. 5. Wattpad. If you are a writer, then this app is perfect for you. Wattpad offers opportunities for authors to publish their work, engage with communities, as well as receive royalties from book sales or donations that support the publishing process. You can get paid every time someone downloads your books and starts reading them, even if they don't buy it. 6. Amazon Mechanical Turk. This app is perfect for people with a lot of time on their hands and who are willing to do a little work for money. It's primarily used by businesses to outsource simple, routine, and quick jobs like tagging or transcribing videos or audio clips or doing simple data entry projects online. You can earn $0.05-1 per hit, human intelligence task. 7. Candy Crush Saga. If you have some free time, then this might be your favorite game. You can play the game for free and get paid when you complete levels that move up the leaderboard rankings. Every time you complete a level, you earn points and coins that can be used to purchase power-ups. If you get into the top 3 on the leaderboard, then you earn real money. 8. Photo sharing websites. On this website, they often have photography contests where they reward the winner with cash or gift cards. You will need to sign up for an account and submit photos that fit the contest theme. 9. Instant messaging. When chatting with friends or followers on social media platforms like Instagram or Snapchat, sometimes they'll ask if you want to do paid work for them in exchange for a small fee, usually less than $5. You can also share your snaps and videos on these platforms for the chance to earn a few bucks, like Snapchat. 10. Etsy. When you make a purchase on this website, you can choose to do an affiliate sale. This means that when you make a purchase, your affiliate ID is shared with the seller, and if they choose to use it in a promotion, then they will credit your account for the sale.